How to fix Snapchat no sound on notifications. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Snapchat's notifications just coming with no sound. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release new videos. So let's dive right in. To fix your notifications with no sound, you'll need to check your device's volume. Press on the volume up button, and after that you can tap on this icon and see if your volume is turned on or not. Let me just do that again. Turn your volume on. You can see the notifications volume go all the way up there. Now from here, you'll also need to make sure that you are not on silent mode. So simply check if your device is not on silent mode. Also make sure that the do not disturb option is not toggled on. If it is, just turn it off. After that, you will need to head over to your settings. After you're in your settings, go to notifications. Go to app notifications. Then from here, head over to Snapchat. After you're on your Snapchat, scroll down and there you will see general section. And there you will see silent notification. Turn it off. And after you've done that, you should be good to go. Finally, head over to your Snapchat. Long press on it. Press on app info option. Then from here, head over to permissions. And make sure all the permissions are toggled on. And that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.